When we first get a case, it's imperative that we reassure the client that we have everything under control. The best way to do that is to immediately contact the client. When someone calls our firm, we try to get back to them immediately, and we are very good at doing that. We want to explain what we do, how we're going to do it. We would never want any of our clients to have any question about how we are moving forward. We want our clients to be knowledgeable and in control and comfortable with the process. Almost immediately thereafter, we will have a lawyer at their doorstep. We don't ask our clients to come into offices. They're welcome to, we'd love to have them, but we go to their homes, we go to their families.
Once a client becomes aware that they're eligible to file an asbestos-related legal claim, probably the most important piece of information is knowing their work history, sharing with us their story. Nobody knows their story better than they do, where they worked, what they were doing. We don't expect everybody to know how and when they were exposed, but any of their work history that they can share is going to be an important part of this process.
And then not until we are fully aware and fully in control of how we will play out the case will we file anything. You know, the best trials start months and months and months before the trial actually happens. We will build, like architects, plans on how to move forward in each and every case.
We do tend to find that our clients are very surprised at how easy the process is. I know when we think of filing any type of a legal claim, sometimes we tend to think of how much is going to go into it, what's going to be required of me, all of the work and the legwork that our clients are going to have to do, and that's just not the case with a mesothelioma claim. In fact, it's very different. We do all of the work. We know what's needed. We know what we're looking for. We want our clients to focus on their upcoming care and treatment. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, please call us today for the support that you need.